Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a coming soon page in your Shopify store. A coming soon page is perfect for capturing emails and building your audience before your store goes live. Let's walk through how to set it up. We need to go to our store and then go to Edit Themes. From there, we click on the home page and go to the password section. In this section, we can set up and edit our coming soon page. We can add sections, blocks, and a logo. Once we are happy with the page, we go back to the online store and click on Preferences. To activate the Coming Soon page, we need to select or purchase a plan for the store. Once a plan is active, we can enable or disable password protection to control when the store goes live. And that's it. We have successfully added a Coming Soon page to our Shopify store. This is a great way to build excitement and grow our customer base before launch.